Find the inverse of the function f of x equals 2 log base 7 of 2x minus log base 7 of x. All right, well, before I even attempt the inverse, let's try to combine this into a single logarithm first. The first thing that we're going to want to do is move that 2 up there. That's going to give us log base 7 of 2x squared minus log base 7 of x. And that's our f of x. Let's square that. Okay, so f of x is going to equal log base 7 of 4x squared, because 2x times 2x is 4x squared, minus log base 7 of x. When subtracting logs of the same base, divide the insides. So f of x is going to equal log base 7 of 4x squared all over x. And 4x squared all over x is just going to become log base 7 of 4x. Now what I want to do is I want to find the inverse. I haven't even done that process yet. So let's turn f of x into a y, just to make it look prettier. That's going to equal log base 7 of 4x. Swap your x and your y. So x now equals log base 7 of 4y. In order to solve for y, I have to get rid of log base 7, and I do that by base 7ing both sides. That allows me to cross you out. So I have 7 to the x equals 4y. In order to get y all by itself, divide both sides by 4. Y is all alone now, and that equals 7 to the x all over 4. I'm going to rewrite it in its original form and make it the inverse symbol. So f inverse of x is going to equal 7 to the x over 4. Took a while, but that's how it's done.